Beautiful. Hello folks, if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in how to build a tripod. Well, I'll explain you how. So, I drew this beautiful sketch. Well, I know it's not beautiful, but it still kind of works, okay? There are three parts, 1, 2, and 3, the legs of course, and the fourth part, the middle pipe. Well, why am I saying pipe? Because this project will be made out of some PVC pipes, and I had these beautiful PVC pipes laying around for a while now, and I'm really glad to use them in a project. And PLA 3D printed parts. So don't waste any more time and switch to the CAD software. Welcome to the interesting part of the video, which is the part in which I'm going to try to assemble the tripod. So I have my beautiful 3D printed parts, they're right here, yeah, great. Yeah, we don't need a box. I don't trust myself, but I'm pretty confident I can do something not bad. Yeah, okay, enjoy the time lapse. Okay, so these are the three main parts, and these are the fits, and that over there are those over there are the tubes. These three tubes are about 1 meter long, and this is probably 1.20 meters, maybe 30, I don't know. But I have to cut them, so in order to cut them, I 3D printed this. I don't know how to call it. It's a pipe cutting guide, something like that. So I'm gonna make those tubes about 40 centimeters long. These three pipes are about 48 centimeters, and the longer one is about 52. I think I'm gonna hot glue the feet at the end of the pipes, of these three pipes, and then assemble the final build. It's been a while since the last clip, but we are about to finish the project. So I have it. I hot glued the feet, the sliding ring, the middle pipe, and the ball mechanism. The only problem with this build is that this, let's call them links, are too long. So tomorrow I'm gonna reprint them like half of the length, 3/4 of the length, and so on, and do some attempt to find the best position. So yeah, we will see tomorrow. Well, it will be tomorrow for me, but for you it will be like half a second. It's the next day, and I literally changed these three parts, and now the final build is finished. Before ending the video, please like if you want to support me, and leave me your opinion in the comment section down below. So, hope to see you again. See you!